Hi guys and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Tram, and we're both here to teach you guys everything day trading and these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, also we're not a buy or sell channel, we're not sending signals over here guys. We're pure technical traders. We're analyzing these markets, and based on that we're giving you our analysis, and based off of that we're taking our trades, making pips and making our money after that, and that's how we roll guys. Also, we're not financial advisors, so any risk you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 0.5 or 1% of your capital at any given point with any given trade, according to the risk management and money management that you have in place for your account. Okay guys, good morning. Can you all see my screen? Okay, perfect. I'm audible. Y'all can see my screen. I've charted US 30, I've charted DAX for you guys, and I've charted EUR. Just because simply there's news that's coming out. So there are buys. We can start from here if you want. It will be a breakout of a double bottom if that's what they're trying to make, or what else? What another pattern is there, guys, that you think can take this market up? One-on-ones. Okay, the buys could be here, and obviously the bigger buys will be above our daily resistance. Please stop annotating on my screen, guys. This is if I'm asking, you all can just type it out if you want to tell me something that this is the pattern we're trying to make, but it's sort of distracting, guys. I'm really sorry. Please don't annotate on my screen, guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you. And also the cells down here, we could look at that. Okay, see this? Let's see, guys. There was some news that came out. They fell. This was the candle, but as you all know, EUR, the moves are like that, and DAX, like always, is an abstract art painting that we all are seeing over here. It's this psychological 16,000 that DAX has tried multiple times to break. It's the sort of relationship I think DAX shares with the 16,000. It's really hard for it to break. It's been trying for a really long time. Let's see. According to me, they should push down because they've been trying. This is very heavy resistance sitting up over there, and they've tried to break it multiple times, but they're not able to for some reason. So let's see the kind of momentum that we're going to get for market open. But yes, I've put it over there at psychological level because we could have broken our 15.19.98, but that's just only 2 pips away from 16,000, and it could just go up and then completely wick down and get you in a loss. Yes, German 30, German 40, DAX index, same thing. I'm so sorry guys, just give me a second. Dogs are barking. Take the yeah, whoever you want to take this boy. Okay, German 30. Okay, seems like we're trying to break our psychological area. We got rejected from there. Okay, we got rejected from there. Okay, EU is not doing anything at this point. I'm more interested in seeing the indices right now. Okay, same way, short positions will be down here below our demand zone, guys. You all know how it works. There will be an impulse candle that will try to break our demand, enter in, may or may not close within our green box. If it does, we'll wait for another candle to retest, go down further, reject, retest, go down further, and that will be our entries for bigger position, right? Look at this rejection. They've been trying to break this area, guys, for a very long time. I really have no idea if they're gonna break it or not, because very strong 16,000 psychological area, hard to break. Okay, if you want to start buying this market, you can start doing that from here. Okay, on US 30, if you want to start buying, you can start buying from here. Obviously then you can the bigger buys will be above our supply zone. If you try to break daily, then it'll be amazing, but I don't know. Why will that happen? Look at this structure. They have to break this and go down further. There's some demand sitting over here, but it's completely fine when there is momentum and they want to actually break this very, very strong area over here. Good break of structure, they will go down. Doesn't matter what they try. Okay, look at German 30, guys. Okay, guys. German 30. Look at that. Maybe we'll get resisted over here, but this is just 4 pips. Now, if you want to be careful, you can be careful with this. Okay, this. Okay, this. They're trying to break 16,000 psychological area. Let me look at the RSI. They should fall. There has been divergence, bearish divergence on DAX since the past 2 days that I've been observing it, and they've not been able to break it. They're trying to make higher highs, then they're making higher highs, higher lows. They're trying to make big structures, but they're not able to break this resistance right now. Also, they're trying, but they should fall. They're not respecting anything at this point, guys. DAX is not respecting anything. We're trying to break our 16,000 psychological area. Market open is in another 7 minutes. It could be a fake out. Maybe that's why they're trying to break this area to go up there, because they know that at 16,000 there will be a lot of orders that would be sitting, right? They want to take orders from there and go down, because a lot of sellers also must have put their orders over here, that this is a very strong 16,000 psychological area, and the market, chances are, will fall from here, because it has been doing that for a very long time and they're not able to break this very strong resistance. So there must be so many sell orders sitting over here. They'll go up, take them, then go down, because that's what they do, right? They have to go fulfill the orders, get the volume, and then do the move, right? What do they keep doing? Accumulation, distribution. Okay, that's what they do all the time. And for that to happen, they have to go to these areas to get orders from. Look at that. Again, they're attempting. The next candle will open up in another 50 seconds. They're trying, guys. They're trying. It should fall. There's clear divergence that I'm seeing on DAX, but for some reason they're not. Look at this. These are wicks. These wicks are telling me that this is a very strong area of demand. Why? Because this happens to be daily support as well. Okay, so they're trying. Maybe they're trying to make a double bottom, which we call a W as well over here. So let's see what they try to do next. Okay, but nothing as of now on EUR USD. I somehow just keep saying EUR. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, nothing is happening. I'm not in on anything at this point. This is the last candle before market open. Is anyone trading anything? I didn't see the chat. What are we going to trade today? These 3 instruments. I didn't chart GBP USD, guys, because I thought maybe EUR news coming out. I didn't know, so I thought maybe let's try to focus on EU today. There's so many. I've been charting EU for you guys for a very long time, and I want you all to trade this, so only EU today. Okay, I'm gonna be a little strict. Just kidding, guys. But yeah, look at this. Look at this rejection. Did you see that, guys? They did not close above. They didn't even close within our supply. They didn't even do that. And now at this point, this candle opened up. Okay, opened up red. Now they're going up. Chances are they will get rejected from there. If they don't get rejected, chances are they're moving up, because 16,000 psychological area sitting there. But it's very hard to break, guys. Not gonna lie, it's very hard to break. They've been trying, and this was a gap up. Okay, you see this? This was a gap up. They have to fill the gap, and for that they have to go pick up orders, go up, because they need that much volume, right? They need those many buyers. You all need to realize that all of this is price, and everywhere there are sellers and buyers sitting and putting their orders, and according to how many buyers and sellers are there, they're picking up orders and moving from those positions. So you need to realize that 16,000, if we break it, there are a lot of buyers sitting above that, and at 16,000 there are some sellers because people think, yeah, it's a very, very strong level. People are doing their analysis. Swing traders over here, if anyone swing trades, they will understand what I'm talking about. For swing traders, these psychological areas, they matter a lot. Okay, a lot of sellers sitting over there. Okay, that's why they're not able to break it. So let's see if they are actually able to break it or not. But I've been observing this resistance on DAX for almost 2-3 days now, guys. Okay, so let's see what we want to do and what kind of move we're going to get on DAX. Short position. That's a very, very stupid gap up. We should fill that, but let's see. Okay, we don't have to be greedy in these markets, especially when an instrument is around this sort of an area, which is also a psychological area. We have to be extremely careful. We can go up to here. Okay, guys, doesn't mean that there will be okay, I'm looking at DAX currently, but I'm not getting into DAX right now, guys. I know around this area anything can happen, so I'm gonna be smart about it. Okay, not gonna play around too much. Okay, let's see the kind of movement that they want to give us in another 1 minute 45 seconds, and then according to that we can get in on the next candle also, the second candle after market open. We don't have to start with the first one. Okay, good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Friday, Neha. Good morning, everyone. Good morning to Gains. Let's get them pips. Yes. To get US 30 trying right now. This will be a good break of structure. As you all can see that this will be a break of a double top, right? The big one that you can see if they want to break it, and also another pattern between that. If anyone wants to mention in the chat, you all can tell me what pattern is that and what we're trying to break currently on US 30. Okay, look at this. Yes. How many people do we have on here today? 35 people. Okay, Fridays are choppy, guys. Okay, smaller positions. 33 seconds for market open, guys. They're trying to make an M or a double top, if you call it on DAX. They need to go down further. Now if they keep getting rejected from this area over here, chances are they could go up completely with volume, push up, break the psychological area and go up. We need to get rejected and we need to go down to fall. According to me, this market should fall. Okay, US 30 is an impulse. Market open, guys, in another... Okay, it's market open. It's market open, guys. Okay, German 30 also. Okay, look at that dirty candle. Look at US 30, guys. This is beautiful. Look at that, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Is anyone trading US 30? Let's see what EU did. Nothing. Okay. Okay, but look at that resistance, guys. Look at that. They've tried 3 times in front of us, and they've just been making lower lows, right? Look at this candle, then this wick, then this wick, lower than the other one, lower than the other one. Okay, be careful, guys. Be careful. You don't want to get into this. You don't want to get into this. You want to wait. Okay, on the other hand, this impulse closed within our box. This candle opened up, kind of indecisive at this point. Could have been a Corolla if someone was trading this, like a smaller position than Lambo. Yep. Okay, perfect zero. That's how it should be. Look at this. They're actually making right now. It's still an indecisive candle, but if I look at it, they've already made a double top, and they want to fall. So let's see. Both US 30 and DAX. Okay. Look at this area. They caught support exactly. There's EUR news, low impact, worse than expected. Okay, we're trying to sell. We're breaking daily support. We're trying to break daily support on DAX. Dirty should push down. Again, this will also be a bigger break of structure. Everything has to push down, according to me. But then I'm not a market maker, guys. But all of us collectively could be one day, right? Army of millionaires. News coming out, low impact news coming out, but everything is like worse than expected. Okay, not very big folders or anything. Let's wait. But US 30 is nice. It's just that we're catching support from this area. Okay. Okay, we're trying to go oversold. We can fall, guys. US 30. Keep your risk management and stop loss in place, and trust me, this will be easy. We have to break this wick and close down. We need to do that, or else maybe next candle will again push up. We'll have some wicks up and down, but we'll push down, guys. We should. We're trying to go oversold on US 30, and that's what we're trying to do right now. Look at this. That divergence finally playing out, guys. This was that divergence playing out. Okay, we'll wait. You don't have to rush into things. Look at US 30. Okay, US 30. 0 Tusu Raul. US 30 is trying to push down, guys. You're getting your 5-7 pips. Take them out. Don't be greedy, okay? It could fall, it could not fall. It should though. But realize some profits and leave some position running if you're already in a couple of pips profits. Like if you've made like 7-8 pips, you can start realizing your profit and maybe leave a partial running. Okay, maybe you need to do that. Okay, this candle is going to close in another 35 seconds. Okay, US German 30 is trying to get into our zone. Okay, we're trying, and that is nice, guys. I like that. I like that. Classic break of structure on DAX, and also we need to fill this stupid gap, guys. We have to do that. 1:100 leverage is what we recommend and what we use. And so many people over here are trading MFF, their accounts, their prop firm accounts. That's naturally the leverage is 1:100. Okay, look at that, guys. We're catching some support. Look at that, look at that. I'm just like so hooked onto these charts today, guys. Like, look at, like, so much you can learn from these markets every day. Structure within structures. They're catching support from some areas. They're catching sellers from some area, and you all need to see this. You all need to watch this. Even if you can't trade it, you need to see it, because this is how you train your eyes to spot those critical demand and supply zones that we mark out, and you know from where the market is catching buyers, from where the market is catching sellers. Okay, you need to train your eyes, because no matter what, guys, doesn't matter how good of an analysis you've got, these things come by just watching. Okay, by just watching these markets. I know Nasdaq. Why do I know that? Because I've seen Nasdaq play out in front of me. The moves that we're seeing now, I've seen these moves play out before. But still, every day I'm learning something new. Are you guys understanding what I'm saying? So every day you're learning something from these markets, and every day when you learn something new from these markets, you're adding it to your bank. You know, I'm not talking about pips or money, but the bank that you have of knowledge when it comes to these markets, because you will see It's almost like deja vu sometimes, you know, for me, especially for Nasdaq, because I've traded it so much, and I've just been trading Nasdaq for a very long time, guys. Um, so for me, it seems like this has played out, and I just automatically enter. My gut says enter because I've seen this happen in front of me so many times. So no matter what, just spending time on these markets, obviously not over trading. You have to control your emotions whenever you think you want to try your setup or your analysis. um, just go on a demo. Look at this, guys. I hope we close below these 3 wicks. That tells me that, yeah, even though we're catching buyers and sellers from like weird places on DAX, we're still making lower lows. Okay, if I make a trend line over here, we're going down. Okay, we really need to do that. This is 16,000 psychological area, very hard to break. Minimum how much capital needed? I mean, you can invest how much ever you want according to your account that you want, Athar. But we have something called prop firm accounts. So for as little as $50, you can get a $5,000 account. You trade that account. There are some. Okay, we're trying to break our 16,000 psychological area, guys. Oh wow. Okay. You can, there are some rules that you have to follow. You have to make about 8%, and then you have to make 5% on your account, and there's some drawdown rules. You have to follow them, and once you become a funded trader, you share about 75 or 80% of the profits that you make, and you have to give them 20-25% of the profits you make on your account. Okay, but this is not as easy as it sounds. There's a lot of hard work that goes into that, especially risk management, money management has to be in the right place to be able to handle those accounts. It's nothing impossible. Anyone can do it. Just you need to have the discipline. Look at EU, guys. Okay, and if you want to start your individual account with no drawdown rules and everything, you can start it with, it can be anything. It's your individual account, and every account, as long as your risk management and money management is in place, you will be fine. Guys, I haven't taken a single trade as of now. Okay, nothing. Trading psychology, just know your risk management, that I can't lose more than 0.5 or 1% in a day, and if you make that much loss, then you need to get out of these markets. You need to have discipline in these markets to not get emotionally controlled by them. Again, we're analyzing these markets. We know the possibilities that are going to be there in the markets. Obviously we can't. Okay, EU is doing something. Okay, this is an impulse for EU. Okay, guys. Okay, discipline, guys. I'll just come back to that. Watch out for this. Okay, we need to have just discipline in these markets, and if you have that, again, I'll come to risk management. If I know that I only want to lose 0.5% in a day, and if I make that loss, I'm not going to trade after that day, because I know my mood, my emotions are going to affect my trading, and I can't just let that happen. Trust me, guys, when I say this, this is not a joke. This is not a joke. If you're not feeling good, if you're in a bad mood, if you're angry, upset, or anything, or you don't feel good, just don't take any trades. Trust me, just don't, because these emotions, if you can't keep them in control, they're going to bite you back. Okay, and you're going to have a loss. I haven't taken a single trade, guys. Nothing for me. Okay, they're just trading. Look at this, like this is very weird. It broke our daily support, and went down these many pips. Same thing it did upwards, DAX. So DAX is being really, really weird at this point, and US 30, poor thing, is really trying hard to get volume to push down further, okay? God. Choppy markets, guys. This is like pure chop. I haven't taken anything, guys. Trust me when I say this. This is really stupid. I really don't like this kind of momentum. Like, come on, look at this US 30 structure break. Come on, man. Just for the beautiful structure this chart has, this instrument has made. For that sake, I think they should fall down and not go up. But you know what? Always we're making structure within structures, right? Pattern within patterns. Maybe they're trying to, in between, with this double top, they're making this left and right shoulder as well to fall down further. You never know. Got stopped out at break even on dirty. It's fine. Break even is absolutely good. I haven't taken any trade. I took a feeler on DAX, and that's it. I want DAX to go down, guys. Personally, I'm not gonna lie. Like, why? Don't break this psychological area and go up. Because we should go down. Enough is enough, guys. I've been trying to break this 16,000 psychological area, and they're not able to break it, and it's annoying. They're not going up, they're not going down, they're just playing around. And look at this dirty gap, guys. I don't like it. But this rejection on this candle, on the other hand, is a very good rejection. And also the next 15-minute momentum is open. Sorry. Okay. When does the next pip close? You mean the candle? 30 seconds we have for the next candle. For the next 15-minute momentum to open up. I'm gonna watch that, guys. Okay, next 15-minute momentum it is, guys. Is this some sort of choke that I'm seeing on DAX? It is getting this EMA setting. Trust me, guys, we don't even open like EMAs and RSI, so we really don't know. No, this is 9 EMA. We're catching support from the 9, and according to EMAs we should fall actually. Yeah, we're catching support from the 9. That's the problem. Okay, and obviously 16,000. So we're catching support from 9, but we're not able to break 16,000 properly with good momentum. But yeah, we should not keep catching support from the 9. We need to close below that, break our demand zone, and break all of this. Why do I say Fridays are choppy? Because of this particular reason. Now this particular candle, these two candles must have hit your stop losses, guys, but it's going down again. Look at, like, I mean, this is how they trade on Fridays, and this is what I don't like, like I really don't like it. This is just stupid. Like, on Fridays and Mondays, guys, just start only using feelers, or just like, I don't know, just like very small positions. Like, just play around with feelers and try to just learn from these markets, you know, like these choppy markets. This is the worst position to be in, okay? If someone's trading this, don't trade this, guys, right now at this point. Don't be getting in on anything on DAX at this point. Trust me, not even on buys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 attempts in front of us. It's not good. So wait on everything, on literally everything. We're making maybe like I was saying, double bottom to push up. What are we trying to do? Get this, we're catching support from the 9, guys. If we start catching support from 16,000, I don't know. Yeah, look at US 30, like it's, oh god, everything is chopped, guys. We shouldn't have like traded anything. We should have taken just the day off. I'm glad I only put a feeler in and I closed it, guys. Okay. Ooh, wow. Guys, I'll do you see this divergence on DAX? If you all see this, this shouldn't be going up. This shouldn't be going up. This divergence I have been spotting. I've been seeing this divergence from 2-3 days, guys. I really have no idea. This Fridays are choppy and they're manipulated, and this is what manipulation is in these markets. Look at US 30. It is going to touch that daily support. It wants to. There is a strong demand area. Yes, I get that, but it wants to touch that. It wants to do that. But just because it's Friday, they're going to do this to us. But chances are we could move further up on DAX, okay? I don't know why DAX has been respecting any divergences and everything. You know why? Because at the end of the day, these are all just indicators, and according to structure, if I remove everything, this is an impulse, right? Could be a liquidity grab. Absolutely, absolutely. Aman Giri, yes, you can message me on Discord for the same. I will send you messages, okay? Look at that. Oh god, I just hate these markets, guys. This is what I talk about Fridays. London on Fridays. This is stupid. And there is like strong, it's bothering me. I know that we shouldn't trust indicators and everything, but we're hardly doing that. We're just seeing the strength, and strength wants to push down, not up at this point on the 5. But on the other hand, maybe higher time frames could be doing something else. But I've been seeing this divergence for 2-3 days. It has to go down. RSI tells us the strength. Why do we call them lagging? Because yes, they're showing strength, but they're showing strength like we don't need it when we see it, because the move is already done. The move is happening whilst they're guiding us through the strength. What's happening in these markets? When I say strength, I mean the buyers and the sellers. How they're moving these markets. That's what they're showing us. I'm specifically talking about RSI. And by the time we see that yes it's going to happen, the move is actually done. So yeah, I'm just waiting and watching. Oh wow, nothing is happening on anything, guys. I don't know why we're like trading. I hope nobody's in on anything, guys. If you're in on anything, like, I just don't know what to say. This is the most stupid chart I've ever seen in my life. Like, I can't even laugh at it. It's that weird looking. I'm talking about DAX. Okay? It's stupid. Yeah, it could be a liquidity grab. Seems like it. We closed above within a zone. The next, it's very weird, guys. 10 cents feelers for me today. DAX is weird. Again, you're doing absolutely the best thing that you can on a Friday with these kind of choppy markets. Nothing gave us a proper indication for any move, guys. Everything is choppy. They're giving us indication about going up, then they're giving us indication that they're going down. Half of the confluences are saying that they want to go down, half of the confluences are saying they want to go up. What does that mean? That means manipulation in these markets, okay? And we want to stay away from that. And like Zero said, it could be a liquidity grab. Absolutely, absolutely. But yes, did we break our 16,000 psychological area? We did. We did. There are going to be a lot of orders sitting in and around this area, and that is what we have to watch for. I love these markets, guys. No matter what, I'm learning every day. Today, we all learn together, but we don't need to trade this kind of shit. Okay? We can just watch and learn from this kind of stupid, nonsensical markets. It just it's weird. Like, just look at DAX. Just, I don't know. Look at US 30. I told you all we will go down. We will be catching demand from the left. We will be catching buyers from the left, and we'll still go down. But there is no volume. They're just stuck here. The last 1 minute, US 30 is not moving. Can you all see my screen? It's just stuck there. Now it moved in like 10-15 seconds. You see how London is? But then this is not a very big zone, guys. So if your risk management was in place, and how this candle played out, you would have still, made some profits. Okay? Like if I told you guys that we're going to catch buyers from this area, there is a reason I said that, right? I said it right on the second candle, the one that retested, rejected our demand and went down. I said it on that candle that we're going to catch buyers, and since we don't have volume, we'll keep trying, and then we'll push down. We will push down irrespective of that, but they will catch buyers from this area, and that's exactly what they're doing. So now if you didn't catch your 4-5 pips also, if you were getting on a Friday on London, then you need to put this in your diary. You did not make a mistake. Maybe write it down somewhere that on Mondays or Fridays we take smaller lots, and if we end up taking maybe even a Corolla, anything bigger than a feeler, then we need to know that we can remove it in 5 to 7 pips. Even if you're making 0.25% on a Friday with smaller lots, it's amazing. And if you're closing your day on break even, that is also perfect. And if you're not trading at all, that's up to you, because that also needs discipline and patience to just sit and learn from these markets and not take a single trade. Now look at German. Wow. Okay, it's pushing. It's pushing. Come on, DAX, push. Come on, DAX, push. You are USD doing something. Okay, look at this W breakout. It's an impulse at this point. Anyone wants to trade EUR, you can do that. Y'all can do that. Be careful of this area. But that impulse is also so slow, guys. You can trade it. Don't be scared. And this is not a very big move. DAX is going up and getting rejected. Seems like, I don't know, guys. It's stupid. Like, this is the kind of market that we learn from actually. You need to put it down that on a Friday, if we make 0.2, 0.1%, 0.25%, that's more than enough, and you don't need to run after making 0.5 or 1%. Actually, making 0.25% is the hardest thing to do. Hardest thing is to stop yourself from trading, because every setup looks like a good setup, and then when it doesn't play out, then you realize that setups really don't matter. I mean, they do matter, obviously, they give us entry and exit points, but that's useless if you don't have your risk management in place. Okay, even though this is giving moves, this is also giving heart attacks to people, right? I'm not in a literal sense I'm saying, but this is keeping your, this is the typical setup that will make your heart beat faster. Okay, you need to really be careful and watch, if you wanna get into these markets, if you even want to enter, because yes, they will give you moves, no doubt. See, next candle again getting rejected from a demand zone. Chances are it'll go test this high or maybe even higher than that, and then push down. So look at this, it's moving. It's not like it's not moving, it's not giving you pips, but is it worth it going through those many emotions? No, it's not. Smaller positions, and that's it. That's what you need to do in these markets. I'm not trading this, guys. I genuinely didn't take a single trade. I just took one feeler on DAX. That's it. I'm not even, I'm not lying, guys. I'm not, if I don't want to trade, I won't trade. Get EU. Should have traded EU. I've been telling you all to trade EU. At least this gave an impulse, guys. I don't know, guys. I'm not trading these markets. If you all are trading these markets, go ahead, do that. The buys could start from here on US 30 if you want to do that. I'm not getting in on anything, and you all shouldn't be getting in on anything at this point either. These are choppy markets. Also, there is no New York that's happening today. This was the last session of the week. Very choppy one. Don't trade this BS, guys. I request you all, please. We're not market makers, no matter how much ever good of a trader you are. And sometimes, even if your risk management is in place, these markets could take you for a roller coaster of a ride of your emotions, and it will leave you hanging. You don't want to do that to yourself on a Friday. Don't do that. Look at that very strong rejection, and they're going down. This is BS. I really don't want to trade this, and I'm requesting you all, don't trade this. Don't. Wait for bigger momentum, maybe another Ali or something to open up and then see. This is stupid, guys. This is absolutely stupid. I'm getting out of these markets. I'm finishing this session. I don't care. These markets are really annoying me right now, and I'm not going to trade. I don't want to trade. I don't want to take any stupid trades, because if I know if I sit, I might get enticed by these markets, and I'm only human. Okay, but I don't want to trade this. I'm gonna keep my phone away. I'm gonna keep my trading view shut, and I'm not gonna trade this. Let them move 100 pips. I'm out. My weekend has started, guys. Time to relax. Seriously, time to relax. Let's not trade these markets, guys. Stay away from these markets. This is chop. This is chop. This is trying. We need to break this with good momentum. If anyone is trading EU, I'm not trading anything. I'm done trading for the week, I think, guys. My feeler gave me a loss, okay, and I'm not taking any further loss. I'm done for the day. Just by putting in my feeler for that long in these markets, because I could afford to put that position. It's just a feeler for me. I lost that feeler. I closed it in a loss, and just by putting it and letting it be in these markets for that long, I understood that I'm not going to put bigger positions in these markets. Let it push. Let it push. I don't care. You all need to see these wicks. It could push down till here, could go up. It could push down till here, go up. I'm not going through these emotions, guys. Again, don't trade all of this. wait for it to break all of this area, maybe this, and then go down, you know. Just be careful in these markets, please, guys. Yeah, it's not worth it. You want to lose your profits that you made for the week, go ahead and do it. I personally don't like doing that. um, you are, just look at that, and that's it, guys. I'm done with this. I'm done. It was a session where we learned a lot, guys. So we learned a lot, and that's it, guys. This was a session that taught us a lot of things, that we don't need to trade this kind of BS. Please, please, please preserve your capital. At like, just don't trade today, okay? Wait for good volume to trade. You all can wait. Start your weekend from today itself. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. It was a good session. We learned a lot. I kept speaking a lot. You all kept listening. You all are good listeners. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I will see you all Monday for London. Bye, guys. Have a good day, good evening, good night, wherever you all are. And if it's actually night, then please go back to sleep. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Trust me when I say this. Bye, guys.